Okay, welcome back. This is a continuation number 3 of the Subaru. I've got it mostly apart. I mean, the timing chain's off, and I got stopped here. And I'm going to go show you why I got stopped here. Okay, I think I've determined what has broken this cam, or this chain. You see the color of that cam? That baby is burnt. It is seized in this thing. Look at this pile of metal. This came out of the oil control valve, oil supply, which is also probably the front cam journal oil supply. And you can see the colors here. That thing is hot and seized. Now, this is bad. I can't turn it. That's the reason for the the thing breaking. The chain, sorry, not the thing. All right, that's it. I'm going to take this apart and see what it looks like. I've got the cam just kind of sitting on top of this. That thing there seized. Well, it came off, but here's some damage. That is bad. Here's the end of the cam. Let's see if I can get some shade on it. I can't get the lighting's not great. You can see it has taken up the aluminum. I mean, look at this journal. And this journal, bad. That is bad. Yeah. Well, I'm going to have to call my customer, see what he wants to do. I would say this engine is full of metal, and it was probably not worth taking the head the rest of the way off. Well, I've contacted my customer, and he's not sure what he's going to do. I'm recommending an engine. He's thinking he wants to get a new cam carrier and cams and a new reman cylinder head. And I think that's bad news. This is an oil starvation problem. It is full of metal. Throwing good money to bad, or bad money to good, whatever. What did we learn here? Change your oil. Change your oil. This engine is destroyed. Well, I want to thank you all for watching, and for now, this is it on the Subaru. If we put an engine in it or something like that, I'll bring it back. But I'm going to tell him no on the cylinder head. He'll have to drag it out of here and pay me for what I've done. So, again, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Come on, you know you love this. And have a great day.